ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಶುಸಂಗೋಪನಾ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ವಿವಾದವನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನಾನು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಿರೋಧಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Mutalik is also a Jain. He is also a Jain. Why should he come into the issue of Hindus? What does he mean by Hindus? I am a Hindu. He is not a Hindu. He is a Jain. See, they have been sentimentally poisoning the people. Poisoning. But we know, I am from a agrarian community. We know how difficult it is to protect unproductive cow. We feel sad about it, but we have no other go. We have to sell it. We used to sell. Even I myself, when I was a young boy of 10-12 years, every summer holidays, I used to go to my village. And once in 2 years, the cows will be changed. Cows which is unproductive will definitely was given to Muslims. But we never used to discuss that he is going to eat it, to cut it. It was not necessary also. They used to pay money and take it. This Mutalik is also a Jain. He is also a Jain. Why should he come into the issue of Hindus? What does he mean by Hindus? I am a Hindu. He is not a Hindu. He is a Jain. If you consider Hinduism as a religion. So, now onwards, don't talk this emotional issue. If it is your mother, how will you action it in Bazaar? And how many street cows are there throughout India? Even in Bangalore? How many? Thousands of cows. If it is mother, why you are not protecting? Why you are making puja at your place? Go and take them and protect them.